Hey everyone, and welcome to Sea Time. Today, we're diving headfirst into the fiery furnace of chemistry. That's right, we're exploring the science behind fire. Fire, it's mesmerizing, it's destructive, and it's been a crucial part of human history. But have you ever stopped to wonder what's actually happening when that match ignites, or that log crackles in the fireplace? Buckle up, because we're about to unravel the secret language of flames. The key to understanding fire lies in a concept called combustion. It's a fancy way of saying a fuel reacts with oxygen, releasing heat and light. But this fiery tango isn't a simple two-step. It's more like a wild disco with multiple players on the dance floor. First up, we need the fuel. Wood, paper, gasoline, anything that can be broken down and react with oxygen is fair game. Then comes the oxygen itself, the lifeblood of any fire. It lurks in the air we breathe, just waiting to join the party. But here's the twist, a little heat is needed to get things going. This is like the invitation to the inferno. Apply enough heat, a spark, a burning ember, and the fuel molecules get all jittery. They wiggle and vibrate, breaking apart and releasing flammable gases. Now, the real magic happens. These hot, eager gas molecules bump into oxygen, and bam! A chemical reaction erupts. New molecules are formed, releasing a surge of energy that's the heat you feel and often light, which makes the flames visible. But fire isn't a stationary party animal. The heat from the reaction keeps vaporizing more fuel, feeding the flames and allowing them to spread. This is called flame propagation. The fire literally eats its way through the fuel, creating a chain reaction that keeps the whole thing burning. And that, my friends, is the basic chemistry of fire in a nutshell. From the tiniest spark to a raging inferno, it's all about fuels, oxygen, that initial heat, and a cascade of hot, energetic chemical reactions. So, the next time you see a fire, remember, it's not just flickering light and warmth. It's a captivating display of chemistry in action, a dazzling dance between fuel, oxygen, and heat. Pretty cool, right? If you want to delve deeper into the fiery world of combustion, like different types of flames or the chemistry behind extinguishing fires, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more scorching science adventures on Sea Time.